Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare beauty reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 tips that will help you make smart online beauty purchases during sale. All of these tips will be useful for someone who is into making a lot of impulse purchases. So let's begin with this video. Tip number one is that not all offers are good. Now, I noticed while observing a lot of different online beauty platforms that have a lot of sales that they have certain common offers. Some of the offers which I don't feel is that good is that they sell an entire range at 20% discount, 30% discount. Now, it may feel to you that you are getting a lot more products than purchasing a single one, but I don't think so that you need to buy an entire range of one particular brand in order to build up your skincare routine. A personal skincare routine is something that you can customize by adding products from different brands. Now a lot of different brands have one product that is like superb. There are other products that are not good, so like that you can customize your skincare routine with products that are really great and that would suit your skin. And so I don't think so that this particular offer is good enough. Another offer that I don't feel it's worth it when they try to make you buy products worth 1,000 rupees. They say that shop for 1,000 rupees and then you will get one product free. Now this is usually they do with products that are not selling easily, like mostly foot creams or facial body scrubs and all of these things that does not sell more as compared to their other skincare products. And a lot of people feel that if they want that one free product, then they would buy a shop for 1,000 rupees. Even if you don't feel like buying, you end up buying and spending 1,000 rupees just for that one free product. And I don't think so that it is worth your money. Tip number two, and this tip is applicable commonly during all times, whether there is a sale or whether there is no sale. Especially with skincare product, what happens is that a lot of brands, they keep launching new products, new ranges, and whenever there is a new launch that come up, they do a lot of marketing, which is fair enough. If they want to sell their products, they do a lot of marketing. But whenever there is a new launch from certain brands, there is a lot of hype that goes around that particular product or that particular range. When you find these ads going on, these ad campaigns and the marketing campaigns going on, and it catches your attention, you feel like purchasing that product then and there, and many times you end up buying those products. It has happened with me in the past. You end up buying those products and then you realize that the product is not good enough. So what happens, what I would recommend with these incidents is that you wait for the hype to go down, and if that product is really worth your money, it will, even after the marketing is over and they have launched a new range or new product, then you can go ahead and buy it. Like if that product is good enough, people will still talk good about it even when they are not paid to do so. Tip number three, and this is something very important which is applicable not just during the time when there is a sale or during the time you are making online purchase, but even this is applicable for in-store purchases and for any purchase. Whenever you want to buy anything, just ask yourself these three questions. If this is something that you really need, is this something that you are actually going to use? Third question, an important question that you can ask yourself is that, is this value for money? If you answer all the three questions as yes, then you can go ahead and buy it. Fourth tip that I want to share with you is something that most of us neglect while buying things online, especially when you see 70% discount, 50% discount, 60% discount. That just grabs your attention and then you don't see left, right or center and you just go and buy that product. But what I mean by this is, like with a lot of product, whenever there is a big sale going on, they first try to get rid of their old stock, and in order to do so, they often sell off the products which is going to expire very soon. So make sure that you check the expiry date. Now with big platforms like Amazon, Flipkart as well as Nykaa, they will mention the expiry expiry date. Makeup and skincare product, you will see the expiry date. You just have to go and look for it. And if it's going to expire soon, there are some platforms, especially Nykaa, they will mention that it is going to expire on so and so date. And if it's very near to the expiry date, I wouldn't recommend you to buy it, even if they are selling it off at 50% discount or 60% discount, especially with products like liquid lipstick, or if there's something like something which you're not going to finish off in that 2 months. Don't buy it, because I don't think so it's worth the money. Even if they're giving it at 50% discount, for example, if there is a lipstick that is costing 700 rupees and you're getting it at say 300 rupees, and if you are just going to use it 2 times or 3 times during that month, and then it expires after a month and you have to throw it out, I don't think so it's worth spending that 300 for that just 3 to 4 uses. So you might want to avoid things that are going to expire very soon, especially with makeup products which you are not going to finish off in a month or 2. But if it's a skincare, it's going to expire soon and you know that you can finish it off in that much time period, then go ahead and make that purchase. Next tip is that if you want to buy a high-end makeup product or even skincare product, they will mostly have sample size of those products. So I would recommend you to invest in that sample size instead of buying the full size immediately, especially with makeup products like highlighter and blush. These 2 products is something that I would recommend, that just buy the sample size, the small size of those high-end brands, instead of investing in full size one, because highlighter is something that will not get over no matter how much you use it. Even if you use it every single day, it will not get over. Number 6 is something that is not very common, but I have noticed it during the recent sale, is that they now have combo offers as well. So they sell 2 of like same brands range of product. Like they sell 2 body washes or 2 body lotion or 2 of their perfumes. So I think this is not a great idea. In case you are someone who loves perfume fragrances, different fragrances, then you can invest in those combo offers. But with body washes, again, if you don't like, if you're someone who loves to have multiple fragrances of body washes, then you can invest in that. But with most body washes these days, the fragrance doesn't last that long, so I don't think so this offer is that useful. You might want to invest in a full size one instead of getting a combo, 2 smaller quantity combo. Okay, now the next tip is something that will really test your patience, especially if you're someone who does a lot of impulse purchases. So in this tip, I want to give this technique of making a purchase. If there's something that you feel really excited to buy, and if there's something, oh my god, this thing is on offer and this is something that I wanted to buy since a long time, do follow this tip. Just add it to cart and wait for 12 to 24 hours, and if that excitement is still there, if you still feel that you need it, then you can check out the next day. Now I don't recommend this tip if there is a product that is rarely in stock, so it might go out of stock by the time you're waiting for it. So don't apply this for those products. But if there is a product that is always in stock, then try this, it might help you. Tip number 8 is something that is very common, especially with people who have this habit of hoarding a lot of things. They end up overstocking a lot of products. So don't do that. It's not a good idea. You might end up wasting a lot of product. If it's something that you're not going to finish it off very soon, then don't overstock products. But if there's something which gets over very soon in no time, then please go ahead and buy multiples if you feel that you need to overstock, and if there is product which doesn't come in stock soon. Tip number 9 is something that I want to recommend. If you are not into a lot of makeup, avoid buying things like mascara and gel liner. These are something that gets dried up soon. So if you're not someone who uses makeup like these on a regular basis, then I recommend that don't buy it at all, because with gel liner is not something that you're going to use every single day, because it's like totally waterproof and it's a task to take it off. So if you're going to use it just once in a way, say once a year you're going to use it, just don't buy it, avoid it. If there is something like a mascara, if you use every single day, then fine, go ahead, buy it. But if it's something that you'll just use it once a year, you rather avoid buying that because it just gets dried up. Make the purchases according to your usage and according to how frequently you're going to use that makeup product or that skincare product. Last tip that I want to share with you, this is purely skincare based. I recommend here that you buy a good quality serum instead of investing in things like sheet mask. Now, I don't think so that it is that much effective and that much valuable as compared to a serum. So rather you invest in a serum that will be that will give you more effective results and that will, you know, penetrate in your skin instead of just applying sheet mask, keeping it on your skin for some time, and then you have to throw it away, that sheet, and just, I think it's a waste. I don't think so it is that effective. But with sheet mask and face mask, I think these products, you know, these are like feel good skincare products. This is mostly for people who want to have that experience of, you know, spa like experience where you feel relaxed and you just want to spend your weekend applying a face mask, and it gives you that refreshed and relaxed feeling. These products are mostly for that. But in terms of effectiveness on your skin, improvement of your skin texture and all, it's not going to be that effective. These are just feel good products. So if you're someone who likes feel good products, you can buy it. If you have the budget for it, you can buy it. But if you want like one of these, then I recommend going for a serum instead. So these were all of the tips that I wanted to share with you that will help you make some smart online beauty purchases. I hope you found these tips to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such beauty related tips and beauty reviews. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.